Um, Life. What is life? The meaning of life pertains to the significance of living or existence in general. The existence of human is his or her life. Life has different meaning and definition in the eyes and thought of different people. If and when observed, it is according to various aspects and walks existence or the life itself. For some people, like philosopher Aristotle, life is about happiness. Happiness is the meaning and purpose of life, the whole aim and end of human existence. Now comes the question, what is life all about? Life is all about living, living as the life comes. Thus, the quest sprouts up, is there a purpose to life? There seems no reason for that in general. Just do not ask for the meaning of life, as it is an endless question. But the solution perhaps lies in making life meaningful. That's it. It is just that every life is an opportunity or a task to reinvent what one wants to be. But why does life exist at all? As it is said, it is there because it is there. To know life, ultimately, it should be seen through the nature in capital letters. And then we come to know that the meaning of life is only relative. According to the Sanatana Dharma or Hindu Dharma or Hinduism, the meaning and the purpose of life is fourfolded. That is to achieve dharma, artha, kama, and moksha. The first fold, that is dharma, means to act virtuously and righteously throughout one's life. The second fold is artha, which refers to the pursuit of wealth and prosperity in all walks of life as such. Importantly, one must stay within the bounds of dharma while pursuing artha. The third fold of the meaning and purpose of life is to seek kama. In simple, kama is obtaining enjoyment from life existing. The fourth and final fold is moksha, that is enlightenment and thus obtaining liberty from the cycle of birth and death. Thus, moksha in Sanskrit signifies absolute freedom, that is, liberation from all misery and the attainment of eternal bliss. Eternal bliss, that is, pure and unfragmented joy, happiness, and peace. This, in essence, is divine. Before conclusion, there is a question always, why we have to die after we live, as it is evident that this journey is amidst life and death. The consideration is that death is the relief from the quest of life.